Amazon FBA fees are going up again. 3.5% fuel and logistics surcharge starting from April 2026. This is Burak Yolga. I'm the co-founder, Forsket Supply Chain and Logistics. Unfortunately, this 3.5% is not going to be the only fee increase you're going to see. Oil and gas prices are up in the world. More importantly, in the United States, February 1st until April 7th, oil prices went up almost 40%. We are expecting AGL and Amazon freight prices going up 20 to 25% also. It is frustrating. What are the solutions? Let's talk about it. So number one, Amazon's announcement, 3.5% fuel and logistics surcharge, 17 cents per unit, 26 cents per Canada. This is a very big spike in Canada. And the margins can be up to 3 to 5% going down. So when you look at it, Amazon is telling you that how you can calculate these fees, what is going on, why this is. As we know, the situation is happening between Iran and the US in the Middle East, and this is causing shortage in the oil, but more importantly, price spike. This price spike obviously explains with 3.5%, but more importantly, I just have a new post where I'm mentioning US gas prices are up, oil prices 40%, and Amazon freight prices increase almost 25%. US LTL and FTL prices are going very, very high right now. And this is gonna cost more money to ship to Amazon FBA, and most of the people, they don't talk about it, unfortunately. What are the solutions? Number one, you should be controlling and managing your inventory better. You should be looking at how you're sending products to Amazon FBA. Forsket is a new tool which is called ProfitPlus. We are connected to your Amazon Seller Central, so we can actually see all your data, how much you're paying to placement fees, how much you're paying to FBA maps, how much you're paying the Amazon sales, how much you're paying the inventory replenishment. When you ship the goods to Amazon FBA, then they distribute it. So you're paying a lot of different fees, but it's very hard to track it. And also Amazon reimbursement is a big loss. So one new feature in the ProfitPlus is also we show you how many days Amazon FBA checking times. And this tool is first 2 weeks free. After you watch it, if you like it, you can contact to sales@forsket.com. So unfortunately, you're going to see 3.5% direct fee increase, but also indirectly, you will be seeing a lot of increase when it comes to AGL and Amazon freight. So if you want to get more competitive rates and talk about your FBA strategy, omni-channel expansion, feel free to reach out. This is the right time to talk, and let's keep your profits. Let's protect your profit. Otherwise, the business is getting harder and harder every day, unfortunately, and it's very frustrating. Let us help you with free audits and free consultancy call.